look, like from right here, it looks like Coral.
It's not Coral.
Oh no, look, I can see him right there. He looks like Coral.
Oh my god. Hi guys! Welcome back sa among Vlogmas again! 7 days na! Yoo-hoo! So now we're on somewhere in the mountain. Yes, we're taking Papa for his doctor's appointment. Yeah? Yes, oy. Ay, mi amor. Hi, Mama. I love you. Look at you. Look so pretty. Is this a hospital? What? Look at that. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're so cute. Look how she stares at me. She just woke up and stared at me like that. Hello. Did you woke up now? Feeling better? How's your nap? How's your nap? How's your nap? We're still waiting for her, Papa. You're in the car. Yes. This little girl woke up 3:30 in the morning and never got back to sleep, and she's so mad. Like, so I didn't sleep until, I don't know, 4 or 5. But she was awake until 8, and when we came here, she's so cranky because she's sleepy. But just woke up now, and look at that. Yay! Look at your eyes. Hi. Okay, love you. So we're going to take photo of one of my friend's baby, Keegan, and I'm going with Isabella. We're just gonna be at the park right here. Get outside. Yeah. Where are you going? Walking. Kami ni Isabella. See? 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 Okay guys, that's it.